Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials before you begin: a compatible phone or laptop, active account, and permissions. Start by signing into Onstream, confirm your email, and enable two-factor authentication if offered. Once signed in, go to Settings and allow camera and microphone access. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable to avoid upload issues. Then run the built-in audio/video test so you know levels are correct. After tests pass, return to the Home tab and choose Create Stream to start the step-by-step setup. Once you pick Create Stream, select the type, live, scheduled, or broadcast, and specify date, time, and privacy. You should configure bitrate and resolution next. Choose 720p for lower bandwidth or 1080p for higher clarity, then pick your camera and microphone input. Make sure to add overlays, titles, and scenes before going live so transitions are smooth. Invite guests now, assign host or co-host roles, and enable chat moderation. Doing so prevents last-minute confusion and keeps your audience engaged when you go live. Before you hit go live, preview the stream and watch audio meters and video framing. Confirm overlays and lower thirds display correctly. Start a local recording or cloud backup so you have a copy independent of connection issues, and enable low latency mode if real-time interaction matters. Once live, monitor chat and performance metrics continuously. If audio cuts out or video stalls, stop the stream, check permissions, switch to a wired or stronger network, clear app cache, or relaunch Onstream. These fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.